What's up, guys? Welcome to my second ever vlog on the channel, and I hope this one's gonna be a hit because you guys liked the first ever vlog. I don't know if you liked it because I made it entertaining, or if you just liked seeing me get hit by 2 trucks. Whichever one, I don't really care. You guys enjoyed it. Today I got another thing cooked up for you guys. Last time Tyler came in, we had a whole nice dinner. You know, besides the whole car crash and everything, we had a lot of fun. It was really great. Probably showing an overlay over that right now. But what I got in store for you guys today is we got Tyler again, right? Reoccurring member. But we also have my other client coming in, Cole. And this is gonna be fun. I'm on the way right now to pick them up from the airport. And we're just gonna be yapping. We're gonna be talking. We're gonna go out and get some food. And we're just gonna be talking a little bit more about some agency work and what we're doing in the background and whatnot. Besides that though, man, the camera's shaking a lot from this right now. I'll see you guys when Cole and Tyler come in, but before that, I just want to let you guys know that right after this, they're also going to be going over to New York soon. And in New York, they're going to be cashing in on the billboard in Times Square, I believe, where their agency is going to be up there because they competed and completed the WAP 30-day challenge, where they made X amount of money in 30 days. They'll get flown out by WAP at WAP HQ and get their, billboard and take some pics with it. It's gonna be hard, but besides that, we'll probably talk about it right when they're here. I'm not gonna waste your guys' time. On the way right now. When you see me again, I'll be back with Cole and Tyler. All right, the boys are here. This is my door or your door? One of your doors. Hey, there we go. We're back. Hopefully no car accident this time, so we got Tyler sitting in the back to prevent that, just in case. But yeah, dude, welcome to Dallas. Is it your first time here?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's a little hotter, but
No, it's good.
not much. It's light work. Yeah, they're heading over to New York next.
Quick little stop to say what's up to the boy and head off to the big city.
Yeah, how's the situation on that? Like, what's the itinerary?
Itinerary is we're gonna get to New York late tonight.
Yeah.
Try and figure out the subway system to get to our hotel in Brooklyn.
Oh.
Tomorrow morning, wake up early and go on a little run to explore the city real quick.
Yeah.
Times Square, right?
No, we're not like Times Square.
Central Park.
No, bro, that is far as fuck. We're going. I think.
Tell me, bro.
No.
New York is pretty big, bro.
Yeah, I don't think we're running to there.
Yeah, no.
I think if we make it like to Manhattan, that's a success. And then noon we go to WAP
Yeah.
and we do a bunch of activities with them.
Wait, what day is the billboard for what?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, gotcha. And then afterwards, you guys are just pulling her out.
Yeah, and then we got some shenanigans to partake in.
Bro, I wanted to go to New York with you guys. It's been so fun.
No, what's Austin have that New York doesn't?
I know, bro. I already booked the hotel. If you literally told me like sooner,
Bro, you were the first person we called.
It would be so, we're like, bro, Derek would be so down.
I would be so down. Like if you told me like right now and I had 0 plans, like bro, I think I'll just buy some clothes there. I'm fine.
Yeah, it would have been cool. The hotels we're staying are price too.
Yeah. I saw those chicks.
To go or Arlo or
Maybe we gotta get a little boys trip going on then. We'll get different place. We'll get Ryan Dago on there. I know Ryan Dago. Your asses are watching this right now. I already know. They need to come in next video.
Boy.
Yeah, Molly, bro. I mean, she's only in the UK. She just
Yeah.
closed 5K
Yeah,
this morning.
That's why I'm
Cooking. Looking at the ads, girls, you're just constantly.
I got a text
grinding,
as soon as we
dude.
landed. I got a text that something went wrong.
Oh my
I gotta
God.
fix it. Listing this.
bro. Tell Derek about the.
Oh my god. So, GHL have been arguing
Yeah.
with them about the phone number.
Oh my God, bro.
I finally, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Spent 2 weeks doing this.
Yeah.
Finally got like an answer as to why.
What was the reason?
It was before we got on our flight.
Why couldn't you get your 80 number verified? I
Until we
want.
got on the flight.
We had to put our legal entity name.
Yeah.
And blah blah blah. This dude, he sends me like our form that we sent him, and
Yeah.
I was like, look, he says it doesn't match. I was like, what do you mean it doesn't match? It says rare air advertising right there and rare air advertising right here. And fucking dum back here, when he made the EIN, he made it his personal name. So our company name is
well,
rare air
advertisement, bro. I don't know how I did that, bro. I'm gonna be honest. I spent some time on it. I don't even know how that's possible.
That takes a little extra kind of stupid.
Jeez.
Bro was like, all right, first name, last name, all right, Tyler Valdez, all right, EIN, Tyler Valdez. bro.
I just want to be face of the company.
And it worked, and then that was it. Because I was looking at it like, bro, you guys are literally doing everything right. I have no idea. I see the screenshots. That's scary.
I was just getting so annoyed because this is like my 4th number getting verified. Like I know how to do it, and they
Yeah.
kept telling me it's wrong.
I was like, bro, what's Go High Level doing? Dude, when I found out their headquarters was right here in Dallas,
So
I might actually have to pull up sometime.
it's just my head messing up.
It's good though. It's good. It really doesn't matter.
This shit's fake.
What's big? Dear pager. Oh no, it's a scam thing.
Yeah, bro.
Those happen all the time. Why? Did someone send you that?
Yeah, someone sent me that and said,
Yeah, we always tell our clients beforehand, like, hey, you're gonna get these like notifications and like these messages from like people are saying your account's been compromised or it's against violation. Blah blah blah.
I thought it was weird that they were like, check Go High Level. Well, I was like, what do you mean Facebook doesn't?
No. Dude, wait, actually, this reminds me. There's this one of my very few first clients I had in the beginning was a like multi-million-dollar business, and I was running their Facebook ads, and they got one of those messages. But instead of telling me, they actually clicked it, and they started doing stuff with it. And what ended up happening is the next morning when I woke up and came out, it was like they had new ads running up, but the ads were freaking like in Arabic or something, and it was some dude like promoting his dump like meme coin. It was so crazy.
So crazy.
And I told them, I was like, guys, we can't be doing that.
Bro, what is this? We don't have
That's what I was thinking. I was like, bro, we're
Oh,
like,
it's
kinda
just
like the Mexico.
you gotta
border.
pay me. Just smuggling me.
I go to Dallas one time.
Don't worry about it, bro. This is normal.
I need to find a sign that says Dallas. It's one of like our good friend's birthdays, and he lives in
Yeah.
Dallas. So I need to find a sign. That's like,
There's got to be one coming up.
I'm like, yo, I'm here. Happy
Yeah.
birthday.
Yeah, it's not gonna see him.
Yeah, I'm here on business.
Working business. Yeah, honestly, should have got like a longer layover. I was like looking for some nice places. Like, bro, it'd be so nice. We go like Fogo de Chao or something.
Bro, it was either this 3-hour layover
Yeah.
or I spend the night with you. So,
Bro.
so
Yeah.
Why, you afraid to cuddle, bro?
no, I'm afraid to
Jeez,
come.
dude.
As long as I'm a little spoon.
Hey. All right, I don't know about that one.
Like,
You're gonna have to close me out now.
You got Derek.
You got Alfie? Bro, I got Alfie's right there in the bottom right corner. That's his name.
oh no, so this did not look like
No, yeah, my girlfriend did a cold plunge today, so she got like a reward and she chose that. And then we came into the car and looked at the name and it was Alfie. It was so funny. Damn, why is bro taking forever? This takes like 10 seconds max, guys. We're getting lapped over here.
This is definitely below KPI.
This is a bottleneck. This is a bottleneck.
Lane 6.
Yeah, we can't go back either.
This, bro. I swear it took me 15 seconds to look through this.
Wrong moves, Derek. Wrong moves.
Wrong moves. Ah, there we go. How long's the flight you guys have for New York?
Bro, we didn't even know how long the flight was from California to here. We just went on, and then like the pilot's like, this is like a 4-hour flight. And I was like, no way this takes 4 hours to get to Dallas. And they're like, it's 2 hours. And I was like, okay, cool.
Yeah,
I have no
it's
idea
not- It's not that long.
It's not that long. Coming back.
Tap to pay.
Derek's right now. What that would do is.
Yeah, bro. Tap insert. Bro, I literally.
I can do this in 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Roll. Got it.
Alright.
There we go.
Yeah, like the top.
No, they don't like the tap. There we go. Yeah, bro, we could have got a run in.
We have our shoes.
Oh, they're actually they're in New York.
Tyler, Tyler's hoping he gets luggage.
Yeah. You guys hungry? So better because.
I'm glad we ate breakfast though. You know what the word is?
Oh, I love rubies, bros. They have no rubies here.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
Zero
I didn't think it's what it was.
No, dude. They have none of the rubies here.
All the rubies are pretty much closing down.
Really? Dude. Wow. I gotta invest. Nah, no way.
You got a short.
No way, bro. Yeah, this place we're going to, I've been there a couple times. They have like some pretty good pizza. Last time there's like no wait time, so hopefully we get that this time. Are you guys doing work when you're over there, or is this just like pure fuck around?
They get back here.
Oh no,
Bro, what
He's so-
what's kid doing back here, bro? So what
Oh, it's a little like air freshener.
Yeah.
The magnums are over there.
Look, that's
Yeah, of course we gotta do work over there. We gotta do some networking. We gotta do all.
Networking? That's right. That's work by itself.
I mean, considering a whole day of WAP, I feel like we're gonna get a day.
Bro, it's like
Yeah. You gonna shoot content
Noon
there?
to like 10 o'clock or something.
I'd say. Are you gonna record any videos over there?
yeah,
Yeah.
I never hear camera and stuff though.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I got my Sony in my bag.
Oh.
Oh, we got the Sony.
Like,
You get the A7 III. Stay strapped.
He's strapped. Gosh. Got the buttons on it.
Dude, what did Nikki write, dude?
Bro, she's so down. It's all about tanning.
Tanning.
This is the California girls.
Oh yeah, see that checks out. That checks out.
Mine was a whole paragraph. I just said, like, why are you going at the beach? And then she said, we want to go tan at the pool to get more tanning in than the beach.
Should I host a California masterclass?
No, you should host like a Bali.
Or is that boring?
Yeah.
Yeah, destination boring.
It's a destination for you.
I know, right? Out here, you guys get the destination all day.
Hey,
every day.
Ryan and Diego, I know you're watching this. We are still going to Bali for a month. I know that.
Wait, yeah. I heard about that. I don't know if you told me or if it was Ryan.
I don't know, but we're going.
Yeah, you guys are gonna.
I got the
lock in for a
Airbnb
month.
as an open tab in my computer.
It's
So
pins.
daily reminder.
Yeah, this year.
This year, this summer.
Yeah, Tyler didn't know. You coming, bro?
Nice, man.
I might pull up.
Might.
Pull up to the crib. What's up?
Derek pulls up efficiency rate multiplies by 8. Otherwise, I'm gonna have Ryan's ass running around like 20
I already fucking know. I was just on call with him earlier. I was like, I gotta go pick up Cole Tyler now.
Every time I answer a FaceTime from that guy. Man, what can you do?
Dude, he's been so quiet, and it's only because he's just like booked. Like he has so many leads. They up the ad spend to like 5K a month now on ads.
That's great.
It's just like rolling.
Well, they're 10K a month right now.
Yeah, that's what they hit last month. They're probably at 10K or something right now. I don't know. I haven't asked yet. But yeah, Ryan today was like, yeah, dude, you know me. I'd be annoying you right now, texting you, but I'm busy. Yeah, that's a good sign.
You were the person I text the most. 100%.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, like you think you text me a lot, bro? Ryan, dude, I love it though. I love it. I'm like not even like Ryan. Don't stop doing that, bro. But I know you got work to do. So if you're texting me and I know you got work to do, that's a bad thing. Yeah, you guys are literally like my screen time on everything. Discord and iMessage.
For you taking us to the boonies.
Dude, yeah, I want.
Go kill us.
Yeah, I want you to think I'd get if I like sold you guys. Trying to what kind of piff am I looking at?
Ryan would sell us in a heartbeat.
Bro, he'd close you to sell yourself for. Not gonna lie. Alright. Oh yeah, there it is. It's called Mr. 01. Should
It's extraordinary pizza.
No, it is extraordinary. Extraordinary. No cap. Alright, part for you. Alright, so it is bad. Let's go get some grub. Peace. We got Tyler and we got Cole out there doing his work over here on the. Good. It's
Like a sign that says
there it
grapevine
is.
somewhere.
All right, we're back, and Cole Tyler aren't here anymore. So just dropped them back off at the airport. We had some food, we had some pizza. It was really good, really good pizza. Yeah, no, it was great. Dropped them off. They're on their way right now to New York. We're trying to plan out some like reservations there too and everything. But regardless, they got some fun stuff coming up. I saw the itinerary. It looks fun. I'm checking the hotel. Hopefully, they don't cancel on them or whatever. Also, they're going to WAP HQ. If anyone from WAP is watching this video right now or works in WAP, can you pass a message along for me? I have won a merch gift box from WAP for the little spinny wheel thing that you do every day. For some reason, I actually won one. I kind of almost clicked out of the tab and I saw it. I was like, what? And I won that back in November max, right? Bro, it's been like 5 months. It's been like getting ready for 5 months. And I've talked to support, I talked to Abraham like 3 times. And I don't care about it that much where I want to keep harassing Abraham. But if anyone works at WAP and sees this video, or maybe Cole Tyler, you guys going over, maybe you guys are gonna let him know for me. I just want to get the merch gift box at this point because it's funny. I don't care about it, but it's just kind of ridiculous how long it's taking for this to happen. But hope you guys have fun in WAP in New York and everything. You'll probably see it on my story of their billboard and everything. It looks great. Sorry, maybe I should pull my camera. There's like some truck in front of me that has like those toys hanged like in the back, like from Toy Story. They look like they've gone through so much, bro. But it was really fun. Good, fun day with Cole and Tyler. I have like 4 more clients who said they want to come out here in May, which is like next month. Still planning it out. Nothing set in stone, but I love seeing my clients come out. It's probably the highlight of what I do in my job. There's no better feeling than being able to just see the people that you talk with on Zoom every single day. What was that? So the truck in front of me had like, I know now it has like bags full of leaves. I had no idea it was leaves. I'm going in the other lane here. That's kind of weird. Anyways, I love this part. Having fun with you guys. It was a blast. Now, even though it's a little bit shorter than anticipated, completely fun. I know you guys will be back, and I know some of the other guys watching this are probably going to come over too very soon, and we'll have some more fun vlog videos coming out for that. It's going to be exciting, but really fun day. It's just an amazing feeling being able to see the work people have done, and you've been able to help them in lots of ways, seeing like come to fruition, but also seeing that happen in person too. Like before, it was just, oh, these guys were getting like 5 calls a day or something over Zoom, but now when you see them in person, it's like, we're friends, you know? That's awesome. That's kind of the whole reason I kind of wanted to start this and what I do on here on YouTube as well, is to really help out people that are pretty much me, but like 5 steps behind, and get you guys exactly where you need to go. And you're not some like 50-year-old dude or whatever. Like, I mean, if you're a 50-year-old dude, I'll help you, but let's be honest, you're probably not going to be hanging out every single day having fun, because at the end of the day, when I work with people, I don't like to feel like they're a client. I like to feel like they're a friend. And if you guys work with me, you already know kind of how that works and how that is, but there's just so many people in this space that just treat people like clients, and personally, I'm against that. If I ever get to that point, I'm putting a limit. So I'm not at that. I'll tell you right now, if ever gets to that, there will be a limit. I'm not going to be working with any more people because I don't want that. I'm going to avoid that. But this was so much fun. This was great. Cole and Tyler came in. Wonderful. Ryan, Diego, I want you guys coming in. Josh, Adrian, I want you guys coming in. Molly, everyone else. I want all of you guys coming in, have some fun. Maybe we'll plan up like a little master class or something for everyone. It'll be amazing. But until then, this was my second vlog, and successfully did not get any car crash. Well, I mean, we'll see. The car is still driving itself back to my place right now, but hopefully Elon doesn't mess it up for me. Until then, I'll see you guys into my third vlog.